is I, Sir Isaac Newton, inventor of calculus, king of the math students. I have ridden throughout the land on my quest to find mathematicians who will join me in the class of the great Mr. Meal.
Ridden on what? A horse?
Why, of course.
Those are oranges.
What?
You're just banging oranges together and the galloping sounds are being edited in.
Well, where was I supposed to get a horse, or even coconuts?
Well, where'd you get the oranges?
I found them.
Oranges are tropical fruits. This is a temperate region.
Swallows fly south for the winter, yet they're not strangers to this land.
Are you suggesting that oranges migrate?
No, but the swallows could carry them.
No way. Oranges are way too heavy to be carried by a swallow. Unless the swallow's going so fast that the orange's weight is negligible. I don't suppose a wise man such as yourself knows the airspeed velocity of an unladen swallow.
Well, actually, I do have this position function for the flight of an unladen swallow.
You want to use it now?
No, we can save it for later.
King Newton soon created an unstoppable team of mathematicians that would join him in Mr. Meal's class. There was Sir Carl Friedrich Gauss, the wise, Sir Leonard Euler, the wise, Sir René Descartes, the wise, and Sir Pythagoras, the slightly less wise. This team went down in history as the greatest team that ever could be.
And if my calculations are correct, that would mean that the Earth actually revolves around a small model of Mount Rushmore.
Wow, Sir Gauss, you truly are a man of science.
Whoa!
It's Mr. Meal's class. Shall we go in?
Hello!
Okay, maybe not.
Then I said to him, "No, you eat the butt."
OMG.
Yo, what happened to the sky, cuz?
Newton, king of the math students, I come to you with a special task.
What is it, my liege?
Newton, this is the Holy Five. You must seek the Holy Five on your AP exam. This is the task I bestow upon you.
Anything for you, my liege. What the hell was that?
After they had received the message from God, the 5 mathematicians decided that they must search for the Holy Five immediately. They decided to split up and search for the Holy Five separately. These are their stories.
And then he said to me, "No, you eat the bud."
OMG. Who art thou?
Nobody, just passing through.
I'm afraid we can't let you do that.
Well, actually, I'm a mathematician in Mr. Meal's class.
Oh, that's nice. I think we should kill him. Well, we don't have to.
What do you think?
I say we kill him.
He thinks we should kill him.
But he looks like he'd make a lovely bowl of breakfast cereal.
Why do you have to bring a breakfast cereal all the time?
Yeah, it is rather strange.
How could you not like processed wheat bathing in a bowl of milk? Ugh.
We didn't say you can't like breakfast cereal, you just don't have to bring it up all the time.
I personally don't like breakfast cereal.
I don't understand how we ever got attached.
I'm just saying, I don't like finding Captain Crunch, trademark, in my pants all the time, and you always have to bring it up everywhere, even at church.
Hey, don't bring up church. This guy's agnostic.
Hey, where did Oscar Pistorius go?
Greetings, fair maiden. I am Sir René Descartes, mathematician of the class of Mr. Meal, and I am on a quest to find the Holy Five.
Hey, Dollface. Why don't you come inside?
I do not wish to stay long, madam. I am only here to find the Holy Five.
Oh, I can make it worth your while.
Ma'am, I need to find the Holy Five. It is my destiny to find the Holy Five.
So I think I know something else that's your destiny, too.
Was the Holy Five in there?
There's something else in there waiting for you.
Is it the Holy Five?
It's whatever you want it to be.
If it's the Holy Five, okay.
Yeah, come on in. I'm sure you're tired. I'm sure you want to take a rest.
That sounds pretty dope, actually.
Yes. Come on. Right up the stairs. So I'm sure you're tired. Where you been?
I have been through rivers and mountains and math classes.
Where would you like to be?
I'd like to be with the Holy Five if you could help me out with that.
Probably do that eventually. But why don't we work on something else for now? I think I've got something that might help you right around the corner. Right in here. Just come on and take a break. Why don't you take a seat?
Well, I do need to find the Holy Five,
So,
but I guess something came up. Yeah!
I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you feel like I feel, baby, then come on. Oh, come on. Woo! Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Let's.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Damn!
What were you doing in there?
What?
That is highly inappropriate, sir. You cannot show that in school.
Bro, I was just looking for the Holy Five. I wasn't expecting this kind of Spanish Inquisition. I said, I wasn't expecting this kind of Spanish Inquisition. Ah, screw it. Let's go to the next scene.
I can show you where the Holy Five is hidden.
Speak, old man.
The enchanter knows the way.
Where can we find him?
He will show you the cave.
Okay, what are you talking about?
Beware the bridge of death.
This is my only line in this scene.
How did we get here? Let's keep moving. Who are you?
We are the knights who say
The knights who say E. Few men have ever seen them and lived to tell the tale. Use your sword of differentiation, Sir Gauss. It didn't seem to be very effective.
You seem like brave warriors, so I shall let you pass. But you must bring me some natural logarithms.
We will bring you your natural logs. Let's go, Sir Gauss.
Hello, my son. How are you feeling?
Not so well, Sir Euclid.
Geometry, my son. You don't have to call me Sir Euclid. You are my son. And what can you be feeling so bad about? You're getting married.
But I don't want to marry her. I don't even know her.
Son, she is beautiful, and she's got enormous potential to be a great wife.
But I don't want to get married. I want to rap.
What? What? Turn that music off! Where'd that even come from? This is like medieval times or something. Alright, I'm gonna leave, go see how everything's going, and when I get back, you better be ready. Hey, we should get guards here.
My father is forcing me to marry someone I do not love. I am being kept in the tallest tower of the White Castle. Please help me. Forbidden to save the damsel in distress.
Nice sword you got there. Thanks.
You want to touch tips?
I take the wheel! Oh, shoot!
I didn't really know where to go with the rest of the scene, so I think we're just gonna end it right here. Started out pretty well. Euclid is known as the father of geometry, so that's what that was all about.
Here are your logs, good sir.
Ah, travelers! Oh, natural logs. You guys are funny.
In this scene, I have 3 lines.
However, these logs will not suffice.
Excuse me, what's my second line?
You must go and find me more natural logs and bring them back to integrate the function with only a protractor.
What?
Hey guys.
Oh,
hey guys.
You finna grab a bite to eat?
Yeah, let's go.
And so Newton and his fellow mathematicians went to Subway for lunch. It was pretty good. Once they were finished, they continued their journey.
Hey, look over there.
This is going to look really awkward if the explosions aren't edited in.
I am the great enchanter,
What is your name?
Blaise Pascal.
Bro, your name's seriously Blaze.
Yes.
You mean like 420 Blaze it?
Funny, I haven't heard that one before.
Great enchanter, we're seeking the Holy Five.
I know what you're seeking.
So, can you help us find it?
Certainly. Stop!
Dismount!
In that cave lies the most fearsome monster in the land. No one has ever gotten out of there alive.
It looks like a plastic dinosaur.
On the surface, it may look like a plastic dinosaur. But I promise you, you stand no chance against such a beast.
Guys, I'm so scared I just peed myself.
Cover me. I'm going in.
You fools! You'll never make it out of there alive.
Guys, I did it again.
Maybe we can use the Holy Graphing Calculator of Texas Instruments. How does it work?
I shall read from the scripture. To the windows, to the walls, to the sweat drip down my...
I think that's the wrong verse.
Hold on. Oh. Removeth the holy cover of the holy graphing calculator of Texas Instruments. Slideth the cover to the underside of the holy graphing calculator as not to lose it, for that would be like totally annoying. Presseth the on button on the holy graphing calculator of Texas Instruments. And lobbeth it in the direction of your foe.
So I just throw it?
I guess.
Can we please not? This thing is pretty expensive.
Screw it. I'm going in.
You fool! Oh!
Guys, it's just a plastic dinosaur.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, see?
Oh, shit!
What's that? It says 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13.
Yo, I think that's the Fibonacci sequence.
That must be from the weird guy from scene 24.
That man is something else. I'm telling you, he is something else.
The mathematicians thought they were close to the Holy Five. However, the real beast guarding the cave appeared. It ate the enchanter and came close to eating another one of the mathematicians, but it suddenly died of lupus. The mathematicians were safe and continued their quest.
Stop. Hey, it's that weird Fibonacci guy from scene 24.
To cross the bridge, you must answer 3 questions.
I'm not scared of an elderly homeless man.
What is your name?
Leonard Mueller.
What is your quest?
Find the Holy Five.
What is the derivative of x squared?
2x.
You may pass.
Me next.
What is your name?
Pythagoras.
What is your quest?
To seek the Holy Five.
Who is the 6th heaviest man in the world?
I don't know.
Perish!
Ow.
Well, I guess I'm next. Shouts out to my fans. Shouts out to my mom. Shouts out to my fans.
What is your name?
My name is Rene Descartes.
What is your quest?
I'm on a quest to find the Holy Five.
What is the derivative of pi squared?
It's obviously 2 pi. Oh wait, no, I mean...
Wrong! Ow! What is your name?
I'm Isaac Newton.
What is your quest?
I seek the Holy Five.
What is the maximum airspeed of an unladen swallow?
Alright, so here we have our position function. So our goal is to find the maximum velocity. So first we need to find the velocity equation, which is the derivative of the position equation. So now we're going to take the derivative of this, and so first we take the derivative of negative ln of t. So that becomes negative 1 over t. Next we're going to take the derivative of this. That becomes negative t cubed over 3. And next we're going to take the derivative of this number here, which just becomes that. And then finally we have the negative 1 at the end, but that can cancel out because that would just be 0. So now, to find the maximum velocity, we're going to have to find the derivative of velocity, which is also the acceleration equation. So now we're going to find the derivative of this equation. So first we find the derivative of negative 1 over t, which is can also be written as negative t to the negative 1. So now we're going to find the derivative of this, and this would be negative t to the negative 2. Now we find the derivative of this next part. That just becomes negative t squared. We can write that in both parts. And then this number at the end becomes negligible because it just becomes 0. So now we have this number here, which is the acceleration equation, and now we need to find the zeros of it so we can find the maximum values of the velocity equation. So we're going to combine these two terms. We're going to make this 1 over t squared minus t squared over 1. Now we're going to find a common denominator, so we're going to make it 1 over t squared minus t to the 4th over t squared. Then we combine these, it becomes 1 minus t to the 4th over t squared, and we have to set that equal to 0. So our two zeros are negative 1 and 1. So it can't be negative 1 because you can't have a negative time. So we're going to test 1 to make sure that it is actually a maximum. So we're going to draw out a number line here and make it a 1, and we can test the numbers above 1, which is going to be 2, and below 1, which is going to be 1/2. So first we'll test 1/2. We're going to plug it into this equation here. So that becomes 1 minus 1 over 16 over 1 over 4. So this top part becomes 15 over 16, and we can multiply it by this number here, which can be, we can multiply it by the reciprocal because it's on the bottom of the equation. So then we can make this 1, make this 4, and the final number becomes 15 over 4. That's a positive number, so we can draw an up arrow there and draw a little positive sign. So next we're going to test 2. So when we plug 2 in, it becomes 1 minus 16 over 4. So that becomes negative 15 over 4, which is a negative number. So we draw a down arrow and a negative, and as you can see, this creates a maximum. That means that 1 is actually our maximum value for the velocity equation. So now our final thing we need to do is find out what the velocity is when time equals 1. So all we have to do is plug 1 into this equation. We're going to get negative 1 over 1 minus 1 over 3 plus that big number there. So this becomes negative 1 minus 1/3 plus this number here. And what that equals is 8.7. And that is going to be our maximum velocity of the swallow.
Yeah, you know, standard deviation.
Very well, you may pass. Whoa, please.
Don't worry, he's with me.
Very well.
Hey, isn't the point of all of this to demonstrate our problem-solving abilities and because it'll help us with our future calculus-based careers?
Nah, dude, it's just to get a 5 on the AP test.
Oh, that makes sense.
Alright, let's go.
Hey! The Holy Five is in that building over there.
You think we got 15 minutes yet?
Probably.
Let's just end it here.
Okay.